In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your blog platform with Gumloop to effortlessly automate your post uploads and schedule them like a pro. This guide will make managing your blog content a breeze, saving you time and ensuring your posts go live exactly when you want them to. So get comfortable as we dive into the details of setting up this essential integration. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings section of your blog platform. Here, you're typically looking for an option labeled Developer or API Access. What we're after is generating an API key that will allow Gumloop to communicate directly with your account. This step is crucial because it creates a secure pathway for automation. Make sure to note your API key down in a safe place because we're going to need it in just a moment. Next, head over to your Gumloop account and log in. If you haven't created an account yet, it's a simple sign-up process that shouldn't take too long. Once you're in, search for the Integrations tab. This is where Gumloop really shines, allowing you to connect with various platforms effortlessly. You'll find your blog platform on this list. Simply click on it to start the setup process. This is where that API key comes in handy. Enter it precisely as it was shown in your blog settings to establish the connection. If everything's done correctly, you should see a confirmation message pop up. This tells you that your blog and Gumloop are ready to work together seamlessly. Before moving on, it's often helpful to do a quick test to ensure everything is set up accurately. You might create a draft post or a simple test post to see if the integration behaves as expected. Troubleshooting now will save you potential headaches later. Moving forward, we're going to set up the automation for your post uploads. This is the fun part that really puts your blog management on autopilot. In Gumloop, look for the Automation or Workflows section. Here, you can create a new workflow dedicated to posting content. Within this workflow, you'll set parameters such as the time and frequency of your uploads. Whether you're posting daily, weekly, or at completely irregular intervals, Gumloop gives you the flexibility to fine-tune this to your exact needs. With your workflow in place, don't forget to activate it. This step is like flipping the switch to on. Without activation, your scheduled posts won't automatically upload. After activating, Gumloop will handle the rest, making sure your content is live at the scheduled times.